Make company life run extra smoothly by creating custom workflows. Called recipes, these get triggered by defined actions. Then named employees are notified, all automatically. To enable you to create a new recipe, you can choose events related to the Sage HR modules, such as Core HR, Expenses, Time Off and Recruitment. For example, if an employee has changed address, you can notify the team manager by email. You can also create a recipe for a task that recurs on a certain day of the month, or to remind a manager to greet a colleague on their birthday, or welcome them back after absence, or to send an email about events associated with their children, and lots more. You're free to create a custom recipe too, for example, to notify a manager 2 weeks before a new employee's probationary period ends. Custom workflows on Sage HR. Sage HR. Try it for free today.